For this video, let's install Mendeley Desktop. Start by opening your browser and type Mendeley Download. Among the options, click on the second link you see. From here, you'll see lists of system. So download the one recommended for your system. Wait for it to finish downloading. Click on the downloaded file. The Mendeley Desktop Setup wizard window will appear. Click Next to continue. Scroll through the license agreement and read through them. Click I agree. If you want to change the destination folder, click Browse, but if you're already satisfied with its destination, click Next. Click Install, just wait for it to finish. And click Finish. Once it's done, the Mendeley icon window will appear in your taskbar. And now, the Mendeley Desktop is installed in your computer. And that's how to install Mendeley Desktop. Thank you for watching.